What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Geo's World. Hey, pick a card, pick a card, pick a card. Because, hey, we're going to be picking cards, you know? You're going to choose which card you want today. You're going to choose which side you want to be on today, you know? Pick a side. Are you on my side or you on their side? You on your side, you on their side. Are you choosing love today? Or are you choosing to watch the news so it can install more fear into you? You know? Are you choosing to focus on yourself and put that energy in yourself? Or are you choosing to focus on what's going on in your phone and put the energy in the technology which is taking knowledge from you? Are you choosing to make the most out of your life today and eat good and feel good and just be the best you can be? Or are you choosing to drink your life away and feel depressed and feel down and feel like it's nothing you can do about it? What side are you on today? Okay? Are you choosing to stand with your people today? Are you standing to march with your people? Or are you choosing to praise inorganic people that are on TVs? Are you choosing to bow down to people that you praise? What side are you on? Pick a side. I picked the side. I picked the side to unite, okay? Are you going to pick the side to unite, or are you going to pick the side to divide, you know? Are you going to let your ego take control of the wheel and destroy every relationship with everyone that you have? Me against the world? Or are you going to choose love and fix relationships, fix broken relationships, and heal yourself and create a stronger bond with yourself? Or are you going to choose to lose everything? Because the ego will lead you down a lonely road. The ego only knows survival. The ego only knows it's me versus the world. There is no room for nobody else when you are full of ego, full of yourself, you know? It's no room for nobody else, okay? Every relationship is gonna have problems, cracks in them, because you chose to be arrogant. You chose to follow the president instead of choosing to follow your own heart. You chose to follow the celebrities on Instagram and praise them and watch them every day and wish that you was them, instead of following your friend and uplifting them and rooting for them and cheering them on so they become better and you become a better person as well because you are being loyal. What side are you choosing today? Are you choosing to walk? Are you choosing to go and talk with your family? Have a sit down? Are you choosing to connect with new people, your soul tribe? Or are you choosing to isolate yourself and sit on your phone all day and communicate with people just through the internet and think that's fine enough? Are you choosing the old school methods, the traditional methods, or are you choosing the new age methods? Come on. You gotta choose. It's up to you, you know? It's up to you. Whatever feels right with you is whatever you are entitled to do. You know, I ain't here to choose for you, you know. I'm just saying, we all got choices in life. So is you gonna make the choices that's gonna better the world, or are you gonna make the choices that's gonna help keep destroying the world? You know? Because the new world is emerging, but a lot of people won't make it to see the new world. They will be stuck in a prison world Okay? Free the world for a reason. Because the free world is on its way. Are you choosing to come along to the free world? Or are you choosing to stay at your 9 to 5 job and be a slave for the rest of your life? You know? Are you choosing to work for a paycheck? Are you choosing to work for money? Or are you choosing to let money work for you? You know? Are you choosing to do the dirty work? Or are you choosing to do what you love and work effortlessly? We all have a choice. It's up to you. Which way do you want to go? To the right or to the left? You know? You want to stay in the matrix, or do you want to break out of the matrix? You want to stay in Neo's world, or do you want to come in Geo's world? I'm in Geo's world forever. You know, I'm going to stay in the 5th dimension, you know? Are you choosing to stay in the 3rd dimension where the house is burning? Are you choosing to stay in the burning house, or are you choosing to go outside by the beach? You know? Which direction are you headed in? You know? The direction of destruction, the direction of division, or the direction of love, the direction of uplifting, the direction of feeling great, you know? The direction of righteousness. It's up to you to choose, okay? But just know that you have to choose yourself first. Are you choosing you? Or are you putting everything else in front of you, above you? Are you worried about everything else but yourself? My advice is to choose yourself first, you know? Because if you don't choose yourself, you're bound to lose yourself, you know? And you might never get yourself back. So, focus on you. Because what you focus on grows. If you want to grow, you have to focus on yourself. If you don't want to grow, focus on the technology and let it take all the knowledge from you. That way. It's deep, okay? But it's up to you. If you want to choose the path of unity, or do you want to choose the path that could potentially ruin me and you and ruin every relationship, every connection, every bond, and say, fuck it, it ain't even worth it. Trust me, it's worth it. It feels good to have love radiating around you. You know, it feels good to know that you are special, that you are a gem, that you are unique. You are just you. There's not another you. A lot of people don't want to be themselves. A lot of people aren't happy with themselves. So therefore, they try to be somebody else. They wear a mask. Are you fine with wearing a mask every day, everywhere? Or do you want to show your smile every day, everywhere? I think your smile is worth more. I think it's worth more. I think wearing a mask is gonna, it's not gonna do any good for you. It's gonna keep you suppressed from expressing your emotions. It's gonna keep you silent. And when you are being silent, you are giving your consent for them to go ahead and do whatever. Okay? You have power. Okay? Vote for yourself this election. You should be able to govern yourself. Okay? Government means to guide the mental. Okay? You should be able to govern your own mental instead of letting the government govern your mental. Okay? But it's up to you. You could choose whatever you want to do. I'm going to choose to do me. Okay? Free the world. Free yourself. Because freedom is our birthright. But you can choose to be a modern day slave and, you know, just bow down and consent and say, forget it. I want to be told what to do for the rest of my life. You know? I don't want advice. Just tell me what to do and I'm just going to do it. Or you can just do whatever you want and be free, because freedom is your birthright. Don't ever forget it. And I ain't come here to make this video that long. I just wanted to know, what side are you gonna choose? Pick a side, pick a card. Are you gonna pick the Joker, or are you gonna pick the Ace of Spades? I got the Ace of Spades. Alright? Ain't no jokes. This is real. Everybody, stay healthy, stay in harmony, stay blessed, and stay focused on yourself. Stay strong. Peace.